Ready to turn your passion into a paycheck and build a loyal audience, all while crafting your own independent newsletter? First, head over to Substack.com and click on Start a Publication. You'll be guided to create an account or sign in if you already have one. Next, choose a catchy name for your newsletter. Write a brief description about what it's about and select your publication's web address or subdomain. Now for the fun part, composing your newsletter. Click on New Post to open the editor here. You can write your content, add images, embed videos, and format your text. Then navigate to your settings to customize your subscription options. You can offer free or paid subscriptions, set pricing tiers, and even offer founding memberships. Now let's grow your audience. Substack provides tools to import email lists from other platforms, or you can promote your newsletter on social media and other channels to attract new subscribers organically. Finally, engage with your readers, respond to comments, ask questions, and foster a sense of community around your newsletter. And that's how you can create and publish a newsletter on Substack, empowering yourself as an independent writer and building a direct relationship with your audience.